guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today we'll be designing this very beautiful party flyer. It's very simple and straightforward. As you can see in all my videos, you can get these designs in minutes. And if you go on Pinterest, you'll be seeing similar designs. I just made it look simple. I made it simpler, so you can get this thing for your client. You'll be like, yeah, this is a nice job, and get well paid for it. So before I go forward, please check out my channel. I'm currently on 1,060 subscribers. Please, you can check out my other videos too. I have different videos with free PSD files. You can see I drop premium PSD files every week. So let's start. So I start by creating a new page. On your keyboard, press Ctrl N. So I use 1080 by 1350. Can create this 1350. Now let's go from the start. Let me unlock all this. It's already unlocked. I got this background from Pinterest. Let me copy it and paste it here. Now let me switch off this gaussian blur. Oftentimes my background, so as to avoid a noisy background, I always add gaussian blur effect to it. Just give it that subtle kind of feel. So you can see here, if you want to get to your gaussian blur, you can come to your filter, your blur, and your gaussian blur. You get anything you want to get. It's very, very simple. So let me switch this back on. So the next thing I did was to, as first I play around with my images. I play around with them. So I brought this. I wanted a very deep, but not too deep background. So I brought this in. I got this on PNG tree. I'm sorry, trying to get this. Yeah, okay. I think I got it from PNG tree. You can see like a sun, like a glowing sun from PNG tree. Next thing I did was to bring in my image. At times we just do designs and play around what you've done. I did the design. So what I did here was, okay, let me switch this off. You can see. Sorry, let me delete this. You can see the edges looks so sharp, but I don't want it to be this sharp. All I can do is create this. I'll add this mask here, add layer mask, come to my gradient tool with my foreground color set to black. I'll gently brush this side, gently brush. I want to blend in, so I can gently. So you can use any kind of, but this won't really show because, this won't really show because of what I'm going to use. So let me Control Z everything. Yeah. Now you can see I want this to be at the center of the head. So I want it to be something like this. Something like this. So, and I wanted to get something like light. So I brought this in behind the image. I will explain something to you here. So Control V to paste, Control T to transform. Now you can see the power of blend mode here. If I change this thing back to normal, you can see these are normal looks. Now the essence of changing blend mode is to make it more interesting to the eye, more beautiful. So what I will do next is bring in my screen, change blend mode to screen. I see different blend modes here. You can choose the one that is preferable to you. So I choose screen because screen removes all the black colors from your design. It does that for you easily. So you can decide to pop your image. Now this is another layer, light overlay. So I can decide to use it like this, or remove it. You can see it's a glow effect. You can decide to use it or not use it. It's your choice. It's very, very simple. Now for this final one, you can see this is a layer effect, sorry, a gradient effect. So what I did there was to, on top of this image, I create a new layer like this. My foreground color is set to black. I'll click on my gradient tool here. You know, I love gradient tool so much. I'll click on this point. I can gently drag like this. You can see. If you are not satisfied, you can still keep dragging if you want to, just to get this effect. It's very simple and straightforward. Simple and straightforward. Now let me show you how I got this text. You can see I used the font long short font. So the gradient tool here, you can see I used, it's actually a preset, but I'll explain to you. I used at location 0, I used F6 FF00, and at location 100% I used sorry, FFAEOO. Simple. You can see I use outer glow also, just to give it that subtle look. I used color F6 FF00 and opacity at 20%, noise 0, technique softer, spread 0, size 21, range 50, jitter 0. Then I added my drop shadow to, but it's optional. If you don't want to, there's no issues. It will still reflect, but it's all good. Now for these vibes, you can see this effect. I used the font Magic Frankie for the font. So let me come to my settings here. You can see for blend mode I use lighting, opacity 85, noise 0. For the color I used 5D 8D C3 for the color. Now for the spread I use 0, for the size 24, range 50. Then drop shadow is optional also. I use the color, this color 009C5E, distance 0, spread 0, size 1795, sorry. Almost the same setting too, but I use size as 84 for this text. So this is a very simple and straightforward design. You can see this text, everything is available in the PSD link below. Please subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you.